Hi everyone, my name is Ashley.
And I'm Tom.
Yesterday, Tom came to me and said, Ashley, I want to tell you something that happened. He tried to say it in just 10 words. I couldn't understand much. It wasn't his fault, the story was simply too short. So today, we're going to rebuild it carefully, step by step. We'll go slowly, repeat often, and you can even speak along with us. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe and leave a like. Are you ready, Tom?
I'm ready. Let's start.
Level 1.
What happened yesterday?
It was raining.
The sky was dark?
Yes, the sky was dark.
Where were you?
I was inside a cafe. It was warm and bright in there.
Who did you notice?
I saw a girl.
A girl? What was she doing?
She was playing music.
Really? What kind of music?
She was playing the cello. The sound was deep and soft.
Now, can you put it together in one short line?
It was raining, I was in a cafe, and a girl was playing the cello.
That's clear, but it feels a little empty.
Yes, level 1 is just the frame.
And we want more than the frame.
Level 2. Adding easy detail.
Tell me how you entered the cafe.
It was raining, so I ran inside the cafe.
You must have been wet.
A little, yes. Then I sat near the window.
Window seat, classic choice. Did you order something?
Yes, I ordered a cappuccino.
Fancy. Who brought it?
A waiter brought the cup to my table.
Did you hold it right away?
Yes, I held the cup in my hands.
Warm hands, happy Tom?
Yes, the cup was warm.
And then,
I looked around the room.
what did you see?
I noticed a small stage in the corner.
Stage alert. Was the girl there?
Yes, the girl with the cello was sitting on that stage.
Perfect. Now say it all again.
It was raining, so I ran inside the cafe. I sat near the window. I ordered a cappuccino. The waiter brought it. I held the warm cup in my hands. I looked around and saw a small stage. A girl with the cello was sitting there.
Much better. Now we have place and actions.
Level 5.
After the music ended, did you do anything?
Yes, I clapped.
Did she notice you?
She looked at me for a second and gave a small smile.
What did you say?
I said, "That was beautiful."
And her answer?
She said thank you, simply but warmly.
Did you say more?
Yes, I said, "Your music is strong, but also soft."
That's a lovely line. How did she react?
She laughed and said, "I just play with my heart."
And what did you think then?
I thought, she is not only talented, but also kind.
Now tell us the level 5 story.
I came in from the rain and the cafe felt warm and safe. The windows were glowing with yellow light. I sat near the window and held my cappuccino. Outside, the rain kept falling. Then I heard a low sound moving through the cafe. I looked at the corner and saw a girl with a cello. She sat straight, her eyes calm, her hands steady. She moved the bow and the sound was strong and soft. My cup made a small sound, so I held it tighter and smiled. The music filled the room. When she finished, I clapped. She looked at me and smiled. I said, "That was beautiful." She said, "Thank you." I added, "Your music is strong, but also soft." She laughed and said, "I just play with my heart." I thought, she is not only talented, but also kind.
Level 3.
You came in from the rain. How did the cafe feel?
The cafe felt warm.
And the windows?
The windows were glowing with yellow light.
Cozy. What about the rain outside?
The rain outside was heavy.
And the cup in your hand?
The cup was warm, but the glass felt cool.
Warm hands, cool fingers. Nice picture. What sounds did you hear?
I heard soft talking and the sound of cups.
Classic cafe sounds. Anything else?
I also heard the door opening and closing.
And then?
Then I heard a low sound move slowly through the cafe.
The music moment. How did it sound?
It was low, moving gently through the air.
Where did you look?
I looked toward the corner with the small stage.
And the girl?
She sat straight with her cello.
She breathed slowly and then moved the bow.
And the first note?
The first note was long and deep, filling the whole room.
And you?
I felt something open in my chest.
That's beautiful. Now tell the whole story again in level 3.
I came in from the rain, and the cafe felt warm. The windows glowed with yellow light. I sat near the window with my cappuccino. The cup was warm, the glass was cool. The rain outside was heavy. I heard people talking softly, cups, and the door. Then I heard a low sound moving through the cafe. I looked at the corner stage. A girl with a cello was there. She breathed slowly and moved the bow. The first note was long and deep, and it filled the air. I felt something open inside my chest.
That's a clear picture.
Level 4. Adding emotion.
How did she sit?
She sat straight, very serious.
Serious but calm?
Yes, her eyes were calm, her hands steady on the strings.
What about the music?
It was strong and soft at the same time.
And your cup?
My cup made a small sound on the plate when the music grew louder.
And what did you do?
I held it tighter and smiled at myself.
Smiled at yourself? Cute.
Yes, I felt a little shy.
And what did you think?
I thought, she is amazing. She is a true artist.
Now say the level 4 story.
When I came in from the rain, the cafe felt warm and safe. The windows shone with yellow light. I sat near the window and ordered a cappuccino. The waiter brought it, and I held the warm cup in my hands. Outside, the rain kept falling. Then I heard a low sound moving through the cafe. I looked at the corner stage. A girl with a cello sat there. She sat straight, her eyes calm, her hands steady on the strings. She moved the bow, and the sound was both strong and soft. My cup made a small sound on the plate, so I held it tighter and smiled shyly. Inside, I thought, she is amazing. She's a real artist. The music filled the cafe while the rain fell outside.
That's a full, beautiful story. From rain to music to words, you told it all.
And my English feels stronger now.
Yes, and more natural too. And one more thing, do you know who that girl is?
Who?
Her name is Maya. She's my old friend, just back in town.
Maya? Really? Small world.
Very small. Learners, you did it, step by step. You built a story with Tom. Be proud. You sound clearer and stronger now. Today, you didn't just practice English. You showed patience, courage, and how music can touch the heart.
You mean my story was more than just words?
Exactly. It was about the rain outside, the light inside, and the sound of the cello. You held on, step by step, until the story came alive. That is not only language, it is spirit.
I didn't think of it that way, but yes, it feels real.
Learners, if you stayed with us through this rain and music, you proved something too. You have the same strength to learn, to keep going, even when it's not easy. It's like the rain outside kept falling, but inside there was warmth and light, and the music rose above the noise, just like your voice today.
That feels good.
It should, because English is not only grammar and vocabulary, it's courage, talent, and your way to touch the world. Thank you, Tom.
Thank you, Ashley.
And thank you, learners, for staying with us. Tonight was about English, yes, but also about rain, music, and the beauty of trying again and again. If you liked this journey, stay with us. Next time, maybe another window will open. Until then, take care. And if you really watched until the very end, leave us a comment with the word cello.